In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly the #1 strategy to make money with in cryptocurrency markets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and it can really work with anything such as even stocks or indices. It doesn't really matter. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to maximize this strategy and how to be profitable with it. And myself, I made a lot of money with it in a trading career. And honestly, I've not seen any people on YouTube explain how to use it, how to make money with it, and how to really master this skill. So guys, if you're new around here, please leave a like on the video and also subscribe, post notifications. It helps me out a lot. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, jumping straight in, I've currently got loaded up a BTC versus USDT chart on my trading view, and that's Bitcoin versus the US dollar coin on Binance. And also at the moment I'm on a daily chart. Now to get started with the strategy, all you're gonna have to do is go onto the left side of trading view where your tools are located, and you wanna head over to this one right here. Now first of all, you're gonna have fib retracement selected. You guys wanna scroll down to where it says Gann Square and double check that it's not Gann Square fixed. Make sure it's this one right here and select that tool. Now next, the way that you guys need to use this tool is by doing this. So as you guys can clearly see, the very bottom of this formation before a nice move up towards the upside is right here. Now I also could do it here, but it won't be as significant because that's not where the trend shift is. So I tend to do it before trend shift changes and at the very bottom of that local low, which is going to be right there. Now I also use the magnet right here to give me precision points, and I'm going to just quickly select the very bottom right there and press my mouse. Now whenever you've done this, all you want to do is just move your mouse all the way up here and drag it to where the first red curvature is going to hit the very high of the impulse trend top. So I could drag it and make it go all the way up here, but that doesn't count because the price went down for a certain period of time, which means that that certain impulse was the top, which is right here. You guys can clearly see. I'm going to drag it out and it's going to be at the very top right there, just like that. Now the next step for you guys to do is to understand how to use this tool in the future. Now the overall use case of this tool is basically resistance based on time. And what do I mean by that? Basically anything that comes into this box right here is going to be resistance on time. So the price could go like this and then spike up and then go down. Basically this acting as resistance. Most of the times when you do have the tool correctly laid out, price will resist on the very two outer layers right there. Price normally tends to do something like this and then go up and then go up one more time and then top out and then do something like that. Now normally what I would do when this tool is set up, I would wait for the price to come to this zone or this zone or this zone and see how price reacts at that level. I'm going to go ahead right now and press play to see how price did react on them levels in the future. Now already we can tell that this area is definitely some sort of resistance, because now the price has actually made a very big dip in towards price back to the same levels as here. Your first reaction is right here and the price did go down a little bit before making a move up towards the upside. Now when the price does go above the curvature and it goes back into it, what that is doing is it's creating liquidity for the market. People will be longing because they think it's breaking out of the range, and that makes them have long positions for them afterwards to be liquidated. And funny enough, the price actually stopped right on the red line right here before making another move up towards the second outer layer zone and then making another drop down. This tool is very precise and it's actually very scary how precise it is, and let's play it one more time to see where the price happens in the future. Now as we can see, this definitely is working to perfection. First of all, we have this curvature here and the price did not have much significance of a resistance at that point in time, but unfortunately there wasn't significance there and the price did just really hover around and broke out of it. It then later went on to touch the 5th resistance line and it literally tapped it before making another push down and nearly hitting the red line right here again. Now something very common with this tool is also that you can clearly tell where people are going to be entering on long positions for them to be liquidated afterwards. Now what I mean by this is this right here. So we clearly can see that this is resistance and it is confirmed. People did sell there and the price did top out. Afterwards the price did go make another high up, but this was after it broke out of this range here. After the range gets taken and then it goes back towards this zone and it re-enters, that there was a bull trap. All this price right here is distribution. Everyone there is stuck and they're in a position for a long and they are stuck. And how would we be able to tell if it keeps going down? Well, basically we have the curvature still right there and it still does follow the plan. As you can see, the red curvature is right there and the resistance literally just blocks it from going past that red line. It then later went on to do a liquidation cascade and it bottomed out right here. So if you'd have bought at that line when it touched it, because that's what I would do as well, you would have made some profits because that is already a 20% up to the upside in literally less than an hour. So let's play it one more time and see where price takes us after this. So as you can clearly see in live action, we have got another update and price again one more time couldn't break this red line and it went down to do a nice little leg down all the way up to 35k. Now you can also tell that these lines right here have significance. The price touched it, it went up and people bought that. That was a line of support. It then went later on to touch the second line right here and that was also support, and you could have bought there and made some profits in the future. This tool honestly is the best tool I've ever used in trading and literally not a lot of people speak about it, and I feel like as if it needs more explanation. I might do another video on this in a very detailed explanation on how to do it. If you guys would like to see that, please leave a like on the video and comment down below on how you thought this video went. If you guys want more tutorials, subscribe, post notifications, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace out.